Hello guys and welcome to the tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can fix the lag and the delay in TBH Taskbar Hero. Now this is built to run as an active overlay app rendered directly over your Windows taskbar, okay? So when you're doing other stuff, because it's an app that is running on top, you might experience some lag. So I'm just going to show you a couple of things that you can do to kind of minimize the resources this is going to consume so you can keep working on your Windows desktop without interruption basically. So guys, I just want to open your menu and I want to click on settings. And now one of the things that I found that it helps the most is the max FPS. So usually you want to run the highest FPS, right? You want to do 60, you want to do 120 and so on and so on. But because this is like idle game, it really doesn't matter. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do 30 as the max FPS in here, and that's gonna look smooth still. And it's not important because I'm not actually playing the game in real time. Okay, I'm not attacking the enemies, I'm not doing things like that, so it's fine for me if it runs at 30. So that's gonna have the pretty much it's gonna have the resources that it's gonna take here. Okay, so this is my best advice for you. Also, the window scale is also going to help a little bit if you reduce it, but of course it's going to also mess up with the visibility. And also guys, something that I found it kind of helps is pinning the game window at that particular position, because that's going to prevent you from moving it, which is going to also spend resources, okay? So you can just pin it, and that's going to make sure that you cannot move it, as you can see. Okay? So that's pretty much it, and thank you so much guys.